this is Amrita and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm gonna show you how you can make this super healthy sugar-free protein bar at home. So let's get started. And before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press that bell icon for regular updates. So first of all, I'm gonna dry roast all of my dry fruits. So here goes 1/4 cup of cashew, 1/4 cup of almond, 1/4 cup of sesame seed, and 1/4 cup of watermelon seed. So you can see I'm adding all the ingredients with equal proportion, and you can add here flax seed, sunflower seed, walnut, whatever you like to add. And you can see I have added 2 tablespoons of flax seed also. Now I'm gonna dry roast it on low to medium flame for the next 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can see it has turned into beautiful golden color. So now our dry fruits are ready. Next, I'm gonna melt my jaggery. Here I'm using chunk jaggery, so that is why it will take some time. So once it has melted, I'll keep stirring until it becomes frothy or bubbling. So it's been 4 minutes on low flame and you can see it's bubbling up. So now our jaggery is ready. Now switch off the flame and add all the dry roasted dry fruits. So next, give it a very good mix. It should be well coated with the jaggery. So this is now done. Next, I'll transfer it. Now you can transfer it into a greased plate. I'm gonna transfer it into a butter paper so that it will be easier to remove. So here goes the butter paper. Next, I'm transferring it. And next, I'll flatten it out so that it will be easier. So I'm flattening out with the help of a spatula. Next, I'll take a bowl and at the bottom I'm gonna brush some oil so that it will not stick to the jaggery. Now pressing it gently so that it will be even on the surface. And yeah, it's done. You can see it's all set. So I'm gonna wait for the next 10 to 15 minutes until it cools down and it's all set. It's been 15 minutes and you can see it's all set and our protein bar is absolutely ready. But you can see it's in chunks, so we are gonna size it up. So for that, first of all, I'm gonna trim off the sides. So I'm gonna trim off all the 4 sides first. This is now done. Now we have to remove the parchment paper or butter paper. This is very easy. You can see it's easily coming off and this is now done. But I'm gonna cut it to some bite sizes so that it will be easier to take or carry it with you. So I'll prefer some square sizes. And this is ready. So here is my super fun, quick and super healthy protein bar recipe. If you have liked this recipe, please give it a go at your kitchen and do let me know how it turns up. So thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.